Morning. Morning all best worlders. My name is John Ernest Fernandez. I am the Assistant Operations and Marketing Manager for BWL Philippines. Now I'll be presenting to you three major things about our company, about the product, and about the packages that we offer. Now let's start with the company. The company name is called BWL, stands for Best World Lifestyle. Best World Lifestyle is a 23-year-old company started in Singapore. Our founders, I would like to introduce to you Dr. Hoan, our Group Managing Director and CEO. Dr. Doreen Tan is our Chairman for Best World International, or the mother company which Best World Lifestyle is under. Dr. Hoan has a PhD in Business Administration. Dr. Doreen Tan has a PhD in Natural Medicine. So we enjoy 23 years of experience in network marketing, in health and wellness industry, and generally in direct selling. Aside from that, this is our office. Okay. Our office, we follow a system of branding once we construct our office, once we have an office in a certain location. So this is an example of our office. And also, if you go to Singapore, we have our own GMP certified manufacturing facility in Singapore, located in Tai Seng Street. When we say GMP certified, it's good manufacturing practices. It means that all the manufacturing and all the packaging methods that we have are all zero human contact. With that, we can guarantee that our products are safe and of good quality. Also, aside from us being an international company, aside from us being a 23-year-old company, our company is also a publicly listed organization or entity in Singapore. When we say publicly listed, we are being offered in the stock market wherein people can buy shares from us. In the Philippines, some examples of these companies are Jollibee, PLDT, BDO, BPI, and all these companies are all stable. But it is more strict in Singapore. You cannot be a publicly listed company if somehow you don't dominate the market. That's why we are proud to say that we are the only direct selling company that is publicly listed in Singapore. So partnering with BWL is partnering with a very stable company. Aside from that, our global operation, if you can see on the map, we already have 12 countries wherein we have our regional offices and one here in the Philippines. But in total, we already reached 40 plus countries wherein we all have our own BWL distributors doing their businesses. And you are one of them. Okay? I will not mention all the awards that we received. This video might not be enough to tackle all the awards that we received, but I'll focus on Forbes Asia Magazine. Forbes Asia Magazine, as we all know, sets the trending in business. Once Forbes Asia Magazine mentioned that Henry C. is the richest Filipino ever lived. But also aside from that, Forbes Asia mentioned that there are $200 billion companies in Southeast Asia. And according to them, Best World Lifestyle is one of them. So venturing into our business, venturing into this company is like venturing into a billion-dollar company. Our international recognition, we are not just under Direct Selling Association of Singapore, but we are directly under the World Federation Direct Selling Association. When we say World Federation Direct Selling Association, all direct selling associations across the globe are under this organization. And one committee in this organization, the chairman is no other than our founder, Dr. Hoan. This means that this international organization has a high trust on the company that Dora Hoan is managing. And what is that company? Again, that is Best World Lifestyle. Now, if you want to know more about things before joining a network marketing company, there are 3-letter S. You need to check if the company is stable, and I think we have a stable company. You need to check if the products are saleable, which I will discuss later. And you need to check if the compensation plan is simple. Now, let's discuss about the products. Our products are divided into two categories. We have the outer harmony and the inner harmony. Outer harmony talks about beauty, talks about your skin. Okay? These are all our products. We have this brand name, Dr. Secret, Acer, and Miracle. Dr. Secret is an elite product for the skin. Usually people using these products are elite people from different countries, like the third richest man of Indonesia, some ambassadors, some presidents of other countries. Those are the people using our products. If you can see, here are some testimonials of the people who use our Dr. Secret products. Okay. Aside from our outer harmony, like what I mentioned, we also have inner harmony. Inner harmony talks about the health, because we really care about your health. So this is our products. The good thing about BWL Philippines, or BWL as a whole, we don't launch products in a specific country if the documentation is not yet complete. That's why even though all of our products are accredited in Singapore by the Singapore government, we cannot launch products in the Philippines without proper documentation. In our setting in BWL Philippines, we already have 9 products available in the market. But I will focus primarily on our flagship product called Plum. We heard a lot of testimonial about Plum. There are people wherein their sugar level went down. There are people that lose weight. There are people experience colon cleansing. But what is this Plum? Plum is a fruit. Our product is a fruit. It's a natural fruit. There's even seed inside. That's how natural our product is. This is not synthetic. This is not on a juice form. This is not on a powder form, on a capsule form. But it's a fruit. It's a fruit. You can have a taste of it. You can just eat it. It's very simple and effective. Our products have 4 major ingredients. Number 1 is the plum itself, the fruit. This fruit is rich in vitamin C, rich in fiber that can help in your digestion, and also rich in minerals. Aside from that, we have pu'er tea. Pu'er tea is a Chinese tea. This is a great antioxidant. This battles free radicals in your body. So this contains anti-cancer substances. Also green tea, same family with pu'er tea, it is also an antioxidant. These two function as a fat burner and a fat blocker. It's a natural fat burner and a natural fat blocker. Aside from that, we have our probiotics, just like Lactobacillus shirota strain. Our probiotic named Bifidobacterium longum helps in the digestion of our body and the multiplication of good bacteria in our body. So if you sum up all the benefits that we can get from this product, here are those. 0 fat, low in calories, high in fiber, contains probiotics, contains antioxidants, and catechins. For your calories, for cholesterol, there are even people taking maintenance medicines for high blood, such as Norvas and Calciblac. After taking Plum, they stop taking those maintenance. There are people who lost weight, like Dr. Rachel. Dr. Rachel is a dentist. Okay, she lost weight for 10.4 kilograms in just 2 weeks, just taking Plum. Angela David experienced a life without dieting, because taking Plum, you don't need to diet. Just eat in the regular pace that you have and take some Plum. You will experience the result. He lost 9.4 kilograms in 3 to 5 months with regular eating, without any diet. Okay? That's the wonder of our product. Aside from that, it helps in colon cleansing. It detoxifies your body. Okay? It prevents you from receiving any disease caused by toxins. Now, when is the time that you need cleansing? Bloated, irregular bowel movement, body odor, stinky gas, headache, weight gain, even asthma, even other sickness and diseases are caused by toxins. So this is the best time to protect yourself from these toxins. And what would you do? Take Plum every day. As we always say, a Plum of Premax a day keeps the fats and toxins away. It's 0 competitors. It's a fruit. Have you heard about juice, slimming juice or slimming coffee? I know that you heard a lot, but this is the only slimming fruit and colon cleansing fruit. Okay. This is the third-party study. It means that we don't have any chemicals or any natural substances in our product. Okay. We also have a halal certification, means that even Muslims can try our product. And also we have CPR, or Certificate of Product Registration, from the government of the Philippines. So it's very safe, it's very effective. You can try some, you can try one, and once you try one, you can already feel the result and see what happens to you. Now, aside from a colon cleansing product, we also have different products, omega-3. Fish oil, good for the heart and also good for the skin because it has vitamin E. We also have Sangocal. Once you put into the water, your drinking water, that water will turn into alkaline water. You can also try to your coffee, to your soda, and even to your beer. If you want an alkaline beer, this is the product for you. We have eye care. Eye care is good for the eyes. It's prevention for cataract and other eye-related diseases. We have Collagen Plus for a younger looking skin and also for your joints to function better. We also have Intimate Feminine Wash for the girls out there, but guys, you can also use this. And we also have Miraglow Face. Miraglow Face is a cloth. This is an alternative for laser. Miraglow has a microfibers thinner than the hair that can clean even the small pores in your face. So this is very effective for washing your face, for removing dead skin cells and purification of your face. So those are the products that we have. All our products underwent a GMP certified process. So it means it's natural, it's effective, and it underwent a state-of-the-art process. So those are the products that we have. Now, we have a stable company. We have saleable product. But people will thought that we have a very expensive package because we are an international company. But we are happy to tell you that on our compensation plan called R4, our packages starts at 1,800. That's right. You can already join the business. You can already venture into a publicly listed company. You can already be a partner of this billion-dollar company in just 1,800. We call it Starter Pack. Now, what's in it for you if you choose Starter Pack? At 1.8, you can already have a choice of one box or one bottle of this product. And also, you're already paid of a membership fee. You will be entitled to a free training, 5-day training with certification and graduation. You are also entitled for a free skin studio. We have an equipment here from Korea. All you need to do is just show the skin voucher, and you will have a free skin examination. It's all for free, even though the package is just Starter Pack. You will also have your virtual office. You can check your commission statement and even download your commission statement online, and you will be given your Union Bank Pay card. Because our commissions here are not given to distributors through check, we give it to you in an easier way called ATM, and that's why you need Union Bank Pay card. Now, if you want a better business, it goes without saying, the higher the risk, the higher the returns. You may want to have Builder Pack. Again, it's only 7,800, not even 10,000. At Builder Pack, you already have 6 boxes of Plum or any R4 product of your choice. You will be also given 6 pieces membership voucher. What is this membership voucher? A membership voucher will entitle you to earn 600 pesos per application. Meaning to say, if you have 6 vouchers, you will earn 3,600 in just membership voucher without you selling the product first. So you have the products, you have the voucher, and how much? That is only 7,800. Now, the last but not the least package that we have, if you want really to have a bigger business rather than Builder Pack, you may want to be our junior franchisee by having a Stockist package. We call this Silver Mobile Stockist. At only 31,500, yes, only 31,500, you can already enjoy having 30 boxes of Plum. Again, 30 boxes of Plum, and also 30 pieces of membership voucher at 600 pesos each. Okay, so those are the packages that we have. You can join the business. It's a Starter Pack, Builder Pack, or Silver Mobile Stockist. So we have a stable company, we have a saleable product, and we have an affordable package awaiting for you. So what are you waiting for? Be a BWL distributor.